Welcome back, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today we embark on an enthralling journey into the world of Euphorbia globosa, also known as the globe spurge. Join us as we delve into its captivating history, unique characteristics, and essential insights in successful cultivation. Meet the fascinating Euphorbia globosa, a succulent belonging to the Euphorbiaceae family. Native to the arid regions of South Africa, this plant has earned several nicknames such as globe spurge and basketball euphorbia. Feast your eyes on the mesmerizing Euphorbia globosa. This delightful succulent features globular green stems, adorned with intriguing geometric patterns, making it an instant conversation starter. With a mature height of 6 to 12 inches, it creates an eye-catching display in any garden. To successfully nurture Euphorbia globosa, replicate its natural habitat conditions. Provide ample sunlight. As this succulent thrives in full sun or light shade, it prefers well-draining soils such as sandy or rocky substrates and is drought-tolerant once established. Complement the beauty of Euphorbia globosa with other succulents like aloe, agave, or echeveria in a stunning desert-themed garden. These combinations not only enhance visual appeal, but also create a low-maintenance and water-efficient landscape. Euphorbia globosa serves various purposes in both gardening and medicinal practices. In gardens, it is perfect for xeriscaping and rock gardens due to its water-saving qualities. However, it's crucial to handle this plant with care, as some Euphorbia species contain milky sap that can irritate the skin. There you have it, enchanting exploration of the history and native range, description, growing conditions, and requirements, companion planting, and uses of Euphorbia globosa or the globe spurge. Embrace the allure of this captivating succulent in your gardening endeavors, and stay tuned for more enthralling episodes featuring an array of fascinating living organisms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest content. Happy gardening,